This is an extremely potent form of Keto Brainz nootropics made just for the bricks. Only use 1 tiny scoop for an entire batch of bricks. All right, let's take a break. What does it do? Well, I'm not sure exactly how it works, but I know it's good for your brain. As a matter of fact, you could probably use a little bit of it, huh? Anyway, we need another tub for cacao butter, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab another one.
It's good for your brain. You could really use some. As a matter of fact, you could use some.
All right, I got the tub we needed. All right, let's get back to work.
Oh man, I love those things. I've never been able to solve it. Have you?
I've never even gotten close.
Hey,
It's
guys.
making me pretty frustrated. Here, you try it. Actually, Bryson, you want to try it?
I don't know, these things frustrate me too. I've never been able to do one, but I'll give it a shot for you for sure.
Hey Brian, so you about ready to do inventory because I have a call in 30 minutes.
A call in 30 minutes? Well, I can make it quick on you because I got it up here. We got 8 bags of salt, 7 bins of protein, 5 boxes of MCT, but one has a hole in it, so it's probably not good anymore, 3 boxes of gloves, and 2 boxes of nibs. And there's yogurt in the fridge that's about to go bad. And there it goes. You wanted to see me, Chief?
Yeah, man. Just wanted to have you come in here and check on you. You've been acting a little strange today. Is everything okay?
You know, I feel amazing. At first I had no idea what was going on, but eventually realized that Brenson must have dosed me with approximately 200 bricks worth of Keto Brainz.
200 bricks?
And also, I want to let you know that I've always loved working here, but now that I am a super genius, the world needs me and I must go.
I mean, I understand. Hey, Bryson. Bryson!
Sorry, Chief. I was having a wild dream. I must be going way too hard this week.
You need to take better care of yourself, man. Not to worry, though. I got just the thing to help you focus.